13 watches na total, 665k profit. Mabenta pa tayo. I'll give you one price, 645,000. Yun na talaga yun, boss. Mabilis to po. Ganyan ang deal. So total 15 na. 15 watches na, 10 lang yung quota natin ha. Masahit na ulo ko eh. Parang wala tayong mauuwi eh.
Airfare.
Airfare.
78
Plus.
Hotel.
34,000 for the hotel. Yung stay natin. 1,000 yun. Ano nakikita natin? We are totally at. And this serie is called Steak Serie in Davao City.
Reward ba to? Reward?
Reward pa rin, nakakota tayo, na-overkota tayo. Steak trip tayo ngayon. Ang sarap yung mushroom soup. Very yan siya. Earthy. May ganyan sa bahay namin, nasira ako, nagaling asawa ko eh.
This is shrimp gochujang aioli, salsa verde and our house steak sauce.
Resting. Try natin tong shrimp something else.
Shrimp ba? Sabi na?
Hindi. Let's check the steak bites. Ang tawag sa amin dito sa Picaw.
Ang yaman niya naman. Taka sabi, adobo lang yun. Adobo can.
Moist in the inside. Very nice. Creamy. Very creamy. Mashed potato. A little under seasoned, but otherwise amazing.
Riblet.
Kaya pala sabi ko under season kasi may ganito. Peppa. Hindi Peppa Pig gago.
Aram yung buo. Yan. Paborito namin ni parang yun.
So guys, hindi dugo yan. That's what we call myoglobin. Ganun ko na lang.
Ayun.
Lovely.
Just such generous and pepper.
Lovely.
18,000. Kulang kasi tayo ng malaki. Sumasos na talong agad eh.
Sabi niya, makain tayo.
Tapos yung kanina sa coffee shop, magkano nagastos natin?
2-3.
Parang mo to, Germany. Tingnan natin mamaya yung mga expenses natin. Masahit na ulo ko eh. Parang wala tayong mauuwi eh. Tara. Time for dessert.
Ano trip mo?
Kape ulit.
Nakabi na naman. Gago pumapalag na to.
Hindi, gago po. Nag-calm down na ako.
Pupunta tayo ulit dun sa kapihan kanina. Anong tawag ng?
Finka.
Punta tayo kay Finka. Kasi nakita ko kanina sa menu nila, meron silang dessert na napakasarap. It's called the affogato. Affogato meaning nun, espresso, tsaka gelato. Nakatikim ka na nun?
Siyempre, basta ako.
Ayan, we will order some affogato guys. Papatayin ko sa inyo yung affogato.
Hindi ako kumakain ng fruits eh.
Hindi siya fruits. Naman po, yung jokes na naman. Aray ko. Avocado yung gusto mo. Alam mo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 na affogato. Yan ang affogato guys. Vanilla ice cream or vanilla gelato. May espresso. Pwede ako mauna? Tumigim?
Oo, ko-presidente namin, Bo.
Ang affogato pare, vanilla ice cream yan.
Gelato.
Hindi ice cream.
Gelato.
Pag for normal people, we use ice cream. Pero ang original, they use affogato talaga. Kung ano yung ice cream, tapos coffee.
Ano sabi?
Makakain pa tayo?
Hindi na.
Hindi na? Bakit pa ako sumama? Hindi naman pala ako kaya pakainin. Hindi mo pala kaya sustentuhan yung needs ko eh. Bakit pa?
Alright guys, so done na tayo. We had our dinner, we had our dessert. Balik na tayo sa hotel because we still have one client to meet. Sana kumuha siya para madagdagan naman yung ano natin, yung blessings natin this trip. Okay guys, we're going to our last ever deal dito sa Davao before we go home. Alright, time check. It's already 7 p.m. in the evening. So pupuntahan natin si client guys. They're just 20 minutes away from here. Para Englishero to ah. Englishero yung last client natin. Tulungan mo ako ah.
Sige mo, kumala sa'yo.
Kailangan ko yung last hours mo. Ikaw, huwag ka magsasalita ah.
Oo, yan.
Baka di matuloy yung deal eh.
Yun nga eh.
Hi sir. Hi, nice to meet you. Sabi ko sa'yo, Englishero pre. Alright, so you already talked to Omar, right?
Yep.
So you were looking for a GMT root beer. Well, we brought some, other watches. If you want to take a look at some. But if you're already decided on the root beer, then are you decided already on this one?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So that's the root beer. 22 model. This is the root beer. 40 mm. I'm pretty sure you already know about this. So how long have you been eyeing for this watch?
I seen it like 2 years ago.
2 years ago. What do you think about that?
It's nice.
It's nice. Yeah, it has complete papers. We didn't bring the papers though, so we could send it to you.
Ship it with the jacket.
Yeah, we'll ship it with the jacket and all the stuff that comes free with it, right?
Alright.
Do you watch our videos
Yeah,
online? You do?
That's how I found you guys from TikTok.
Ooh. Can you speak Tagalog?
No.
No. But you understand our deals that we do on our videos?
Yeah, of course.
We already priced it at 1,229. However, we got a message from boss manager Omar to take care of you because you already are a valuable client to him and to us. Of course, that's why we're here. We can do 1.190. Yeah.
Can you do 1.15?
I'm really squeezing it. The 1190 is where I sit at.
The
Yeah.
cost for this one is a bit high.
We can be in the middle.
I'll do 85 just to make the deal done.
1.16.
I can't. This is actually the last deal before we fly back to Manila. We really don't have much room.
1.17, we close it.
A little bit more. I
think-
think 1185 is the best.
Yeah.
It's a really good deal. I mean,
1.18.
your call.
All right, now last deal, done. Thank you so much. All right, so that's a 49K
We'll give you the
discount.
box already.
Yeah, we already have the
Can you
box,
try it out?
the papers, and then you are gonna wire transfer, right?
Yeah.
Wire transfer is
Confirm.
brother. It's a pleasure meeting you.
You too.
Good luck. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Congrats on the watch.
There you go, guys. Done deal, pare. 16 watches.
Nice
16
ba?
watches. So we're heading back to hotel. 8 o'clock na. Oh, hindi na ba? So, pabalik na tayo guys sa hotel. 8 o'clock na. Pabalik na tayo ng hotel. We'll just check out, shower tayo konti. Alright guys, time check again. It's 9 p.m. in the evening. Ito na, papunta na tayo guys. We are checking out from the hotel. Finally, hindi naman finally, parang nasad nga ako. Parang ayoko umalis ng Davao, pre. Malulungkot ako, pre. Iba yung kape dito, no? Iba yung kape. Ano? Uwi na tayo? Tag price? Goodbye, Davao. Alright, so we're here boarding the plane going back to Manila. Ngayon, compute na natin pare kung magkano nakinita natin. Baka lugi tayo dito eh. Alright, so last time, kanina 770 ang tubo na natin, di ba? Then we sold the 1 root beer dun sa Canadian Master, di ba? So that is 60. Plus 60, we are totaling at 830,000. Ota! Oh, ngayon, magkano expenses natin?
Okay, ano muna? Airfare.
Airfare,
78.
78. Plus,
Hotel.
34,000 for the hotel.
Pagkain natin
Yung
una,
first- yung
yung
dinner
sa
natin.
Marina. 9.5.
Tapos, yung kape natin,
2.2.
2.2 kanina, plus
Yung ano, yung steak.
natin, 18,000 yun. Rico. Pero yung first time natin, nag-breakfast tayo, di ba? 7,500 yun. 7,500 nung nagbarista ako, di ba?
Pasalubong, siyempre.
Pasalubong natin, magkano?
5.6.
5.6 equals 154.8. Sabihin mo ng 155,000. So, 830 minus 155,000. Nakaneto tayo ng 675. Not bad. Not bad.
Bad.
Not bad. We're almost there. Konting kapit na lang, makakatulog na ako ng mahimbing.
Hi, Chols! Walang iya ka, di ko binibili yung relo ko ah. Check ko sa kanya.
Okay. Kala ko may atraso eh. Sabi ko, ang dami nyo ng babae na grabe. Touchdown Manila guys. Time check, 12:30. Pare, midnight. Grabe. What a crazy 48 hours guys. Okay guys, so we're now here in Manila. Back to Manila. Team is on their way home. We had a team. Team had a mission. Mission accomplished. Hanggang sa muli natin pagkikita. Paalam!
Mission, may bisyo.